Well, I haven't posted in a while. As you guys see, the snow is finally melting, which is a good thing. I got the quad loaded up. I'm going to be taking it in here. It's due for the valve adjustments and it's for service. So I'm going to be bringing that to the city tomorrow. I decided to switch it up a bit. Picked up this little charcoal grill and see what kind of damage we could do. So before I get started, how do you guys all tie down your quad in the box of your truck? Right now, I got it wrapped around the rim, and then it's going back to here. And then to anchor the front, I got it both on the back here to the front. And it's pretty solid. Like, I've been around town, and yeah, she's good. But let me know how you guys would do it. Seems to be holding up pretty good. For the ramps, I just got a belly wrapped and anchored down. Seems to work pretty good. I already fucked up my truck a little bit. So I had the 6x6 up here and I tried to anchor the quad to the front of the box, and as you see, it pushed it out a little bit, but it's just the plastic. The box itself is still good. So I ended up picking up these two ribeyes here. They're fucking monsters. I got them cut at 2 inches. I'm only gonna cook one, and then I'll save this one for later. This one I'll just season and I'll set it aside. It is only 3 o'clock, so it's always good to have your steak at room temperature for a while. For the seasoning, we're just gonna do some steak spice and a little pepper. So definitely not going to be cheap with the seasoning. Well, that's gonna be pretty fucking tasty. I can't wait. Alrighty. So I haven't used one of these in a very long time. I'll use some of this paper towel. Try to ignite the coals. Lights. Well, it's been about 15 minutes. The coals are definitely nice and hot. So we'll get her dumped in, let it cool down just a tad, and then we'll go grab the steak. Okay, put this in. I don't know about you guys, but I like my meat medium rare. It's been in there for 3.5 minutes. Check out the app. It's actually a pretty cool thermometer. Got it for a Christmas gift and I definitely like it. There we go. So we're almost at 15 minutes in. The temperature sitting at 68, so I'm about to flip it. But something funny here. I went to go look at the weather because I'm supposed to be taking the quad to the city to get it serviced. But I think I might be canceling that. You see here, Sunday, we're supposed to get 25 centimeters of snow. And Monday, another 20 centimeters. So yeah, I'm definitely gonna keep the plow here. I'll take it up to the city my next days off. And yeah, I'm gonna need that plow. So we're gonna cook this to about 140. Maybe 135. Then I'm gonna reverse sear it on the barbecue. So we're sitting at the 30-minute mark. I'm about to flip it, but figured I'd show you guys. It's sitting at 104. You look at the graph, it's a nice steady climb, so you know the meat's gonna be good. Yeah, this is the best part. Just sitting back, smelling the aromas. I got music playing in the background, but of course, shutting it off during recording and having a beer. I did make the switch to non-alcoholic beers a while ago. It's probably one of the better decisions I made, especially when it comes down to camp time. Yeah, they'll come in handy out there. But yeah, if you guys enjoy these type of videos, let me know and I'll post some more. I do enjoy cooking quite a bit. Alrighty, 30-minute mark. Whew, she is looking good. Just getting some color to her. Super tender. And then the reverse sear on the barbecue, that is the icing on top. Okay. Well, the steak is sitting at 120, so I'm gonna get this barbecue preheated. High heat, high heat. Let's go. Just over an hour, and we finally got it up to 145. The graph looks good. Let's take this off. Don't really have anywhere to put this, so put it on the floor just because it is hot. Oh yeah. Well, it's been resting for a few minutes now. The barbecue's nice and hot. I'm gonna throw it on, try to get a nice sear, and then we'll let it rest and time to chow down. going to cook with the lid open, just so the internal temperature doesn't come up too much. Put all that good stuff back on there. I'm calling that good. So just a quick little update. It's the next day, just after 6 in the morning. I checked out the forecast and we're definitely getting that snow. The accumulation actually increased, so now we're supposed to get even more snow. So hopefully I could get a video out for that. If not, I'll try to get one out as soon as I can. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button.